Hey guys, Andrew Koster with Pit Boss Grills. Today we're at the Danson's Training Center. We're going to be going over part replacement and maintenance on your Pit Boss vertical smoker. In this video, we're going to go about showing you how to replace the RTD in your vertical smoker. We've already removed all of our internal components, the chimney and doorstop, flipped our smoker onto its top, and given ourselves access to our wires. From there, our next step is going to be to actually disconnect the RTD wires and start feeding them through the hole at the bottom of the grill. And then we're gonna go inside the grill and remove 2 Phillips head screws that hold the RTD in place. Once we've removed those 2 screws, we can actually just pull on the RTD and the wires are gonna follow after. So now that we've removed our RTD, we can go about replacing it by putting everything back in reverse.